Begin by opening your Google form. Click on Settings. Select Get Add-Ons. In Google Workspace Marketplace, search for Joyform. Select Joyform Notifications. Click to install. Select Continue. Select your Google account to continue. Choose Allow. Click Next. Click Done to complete the installation. Now close and go back to your Google form. Go to Add-on option on the top navigation bar. Click and select Joyform Notifications. Select Configure. Wait for a few seconds while the sidebar loads. Click on Connect to Joyform. Create a new account on Joyform with your Google login. To get WhatsApp notifications, please verify your phone number. Ensure your country code is correct and enter your mobile phone number that has WhatsApp installed. Click Send Code to receive your OTP in WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp to get the OTP code sent by Joyform. You can press Tap to copy the code. Return to the window to paste or enter the code. Click Verify Phone Number to continue. Wait for the sidebar to load again. Click on Notify Me on WhatsApp. Your form is now ready to receive WhatsApp notifications. Now, give your form a try by filling in all the fields. After submitting the form, you should get a notification on WhatsApp that you have a new completion. Press See Response. Congratulations, now you can start seeing all your Google Forms responses in WhatsApp.